expert kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Santaquin, Utah. EagleRidge Roofing and Construction provides expert kitchen remodeling and renovation services in Santaquin, Utah, 84655, turning your dream kitchen into a reality. Whether you're looking for a full kitchen renovation, custom remodeling, or an upgrade to modernize your culinary space, we offer everything from new construction to custom designs. Our services include kitchen planning, cabinetry, countertops, flooring, backsplash, lighting, plumbing, appliance installation, electrical work, ventilation, and more. We specialize in eco-friendly remodeling, energy-efficient appliances, and luxury kitchen upgrades. Our expert team is dedicated to delivering quality results with attention to detail in every aspect of your project. Whether you're updating your current layout or starting fresh with a custom design, EagleRidge is here to bring your vision to life. For a free estimate, contact us at 801-784-1457 today. We serve Santaquin, Utah, and surrounding areas, offering a wide range of services that will enhance both the function and beauty of your kitchen. From classic designs to modern trends, we work with you to create the perfect kitchen that fits your lifestyle and needs. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at EagleRidgePros.com to schedule your free estimate.